This is a Chucky Beat production.
Morning everyone, welcome to my motoring. My name is Nez. Now you join me with a very exciting car, the brand new BMW M3 CS. This car is absolutely stunning, and I'm so grateful to BMW UK for allowing me the opportunity to take this bad boy out for a spin. M3 CS, one of the best M3s you can buy. F80, 454 brake horsepower, 442 foot-pounds of torque. What an incredible looking car. Comes with a special CS wheels, carbon ceramic brakes, wrapped in Michelin tires. Overall, this car looks absolutely phenomenal. I love the rear. I've always been an M3 guy over an M4. I just think it looks so much better. I mean, just look at that. It looks so squatted, so mean. What a car. I'm gonna give you guys a point of view to see what it's like to drive this car on these British country roads. Hope you enjoy the video. So guys, what are my first impressions of this fantastic, amazing BMW M3 CS? Well, incredible. The power is addictive. You have to be very careful. You have to plant your foot very, very gently. It's got a lot of torque, so you need to be very careful, especially this morning. The roads are very damp, so you'll find it's prone to want to spin up its tires. But I love this Alcantara steering wheel. One thing I've noticed, right now I'm in Sport Plus in all the settings, the steering wheel, in steering, suspension, everything in Sport Plus, and it feels brilliant. I mean, just listen to that. These seats are brilliant as well. Something has to be said for the seats. Again, carried over from the M3 CS. But yeah, brilliant car to drive. See that, you notice that if you don't shift up quick enough, it's got this tendency to jerk, which just shows you in Sport Plus just how harsh and how ready it is for business.